for the following marine location. Coastal waters from East Cape Sable to Chocoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 10:03 p.m. West of tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 1 second. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Patchy fog through the night. Tuesday, near shore, northeast winds 5 knots becoming west-northwest around 5 knots in the afternoon. Offshore, east-northeast winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north-northwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Patchy fog in the morning. Tuesday night, north winds around 5 knots becoming east-northeast after midnight. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Bay and inland waters smooth. Patchy fog through the night. Wednesday, east-southeast winds around 5 knots becoming west-southwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Bay and inland waters smooth. Patchy fog in the morning. Wednesday night, north-northwest winds around 5 knots becoming north-northeast after midnight. Seas less than 1 foot. Bay and inland waters smooth. Thursday, east-northeast winds around 5 knots becoming southeast 5 knots in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Bay and inland waters smooth. Thursday night, east-southeast winds around 5 knots becoming east-northeast after midnight. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Friday, east-southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Friday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Saturday, east-southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. The marine forecast for the following marine location: Gulf waters from Chocoloskee to Bonita Beach, Florida, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 10:03 p.m. Rest of tonight, north-northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Period 2 seconds. Patchy fog after midnight. Tuesday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Period 2 seconds. Patchy dense fog in the morning. Tuesday night, northeast winds around 5 knots. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Patchy fog after midnight. Wednesday, east-southeast winds around 5 knots becoming southwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Wednesday night, northwest winds around 5 knots becoming northeast late in the evening. Seas less than 1 foot. Thursday, east winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southeast in the evening. Seas less than 2 feet. Thursday night, east-southeast winds around 5 knots becoming east in the morning. Seas less than 2 feet. Friday, east-southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Friday night, east-southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 2 feet. Saturday, southeast winds around 10 knots. Seas around 2 feet. This is the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA Weather Radio, station WWG92, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from the WAVV101.1 FM broadcast tower and originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Miami. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Naples listening area. Rest of tonight, partly cloudy. Areas of fog. Lows in the lower 60s. Light winds. Tuesday, areas of fog in the morning. Sunny. Highs in the mid-80s inland to around 80 near the coast. Light winds. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Areas of fog. Lows in the mid-60s. Light winds. Wednesday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming sunny. Areas of fog in the morning. Highs in the mid-80s inland to around 80 near the coast. Light winds becoming southwest 5 to 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Light winds. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the lower 60s. Monday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunrise and sunset information for Naples. Sunrise Monday, 7:01. Sunset Monday, 5:35. Sunrise Tuesday, 7:02. Sunset Tuesday, 5:35. The forecast ultraviolet index for Tuesday is 5. This exposure level is in the moderate category. Lake and river stages for Lake Okeechobee. The average Lake Okeechobee lake level for today is 15.9 feet, no change since yesterday. The stage officiating creek today is 2.2 feet, which is a decrease of 0.1 feet since yesterday. The next four tides at the north end of Naples Bay are high tide, Tuesday, 1:34 a.m. Low tide, Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. High tide, Tuesday, 4:26 p.m. Low tide, Tuesday, 9:27 p.m. These are the 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for the local area on Monday, December 6th. At Naples, clear. Temperature 69 degrees, dew point 66. Wind, calm. Pressure, 30.10 inches and falling. At Fort Myers Page Field, clear. Temperature 68 degrees, dew point 64. Wind, northwest, at 3 miles an hour. Pressure, 30.11 inches and steady. At Fort Myers Southwest Florida International, clear. Temperature 66 degrees, dew point 62. Wind, calm. Pressure, 30.11 inches and falling. Some observations elsewhere across southwest and west central Florida. At Punta Gorda, clear. Temperature 64 degrees, dew point 64. Wind, northwest, at 3 miles an hour. Pressure, 30.13 inches and steady. At Sarasota, clear. Temperature 64 degrees, dew point 64. Wind, calm. Pressure, 30.10 inches and steady. At Tampa, fog was reported. Temperature 69 degrees, dew point 66. Wind, calm. Pressure, 30.12 inches and steady. At Lakeland, clear. Temperature 61 degrees, dew point 59. Wind, calm. Pressure, 30.12 inches and steady. The report from Flamingo was not available. Some observations around the state. At Miami, clear. Temperature 74 degrees. At Fort Lauderdale, mostly cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees. At West Palm Beach, partly cloudy. Temperature 71 degrees. At Key West, cloudy. Temperature 74 degrees. At Orlando, mostly cloudy. Temperature 69 degrees. At Jacksonville, mostly cloudy. Temperature 63 degrees. At Tallahassee, light rain was falling. Temperature 63 degrees. Marine observations. Naples Beach recorded wind. Air temperature was 75 degrees. The sea surface temperature was 71 degrees. 80 miles west of Naples recorded wind. The sea surface temperature was 77 degrees. Venice recorded north winds at 3 knots. Sea surface temperature was 70 degrees. Sand Key recorded northeast wind at 7 knots. Air temperature was 75 degrees. Long Key recorded wind. Air temperature was 76 degrees. Here is the hazardous weather outlook for South Florida. For this afternoon and tonight, thunderstorms, scattered showers, and thunderstorms will remain possible over the eastern portion of the area and Atlantic waters over the next several hours. Visibility, patchy fog will be possible tonight, especially across the interior and fog-favored areas within Atlantic and Gulf metros. Locally dense fog cannot be ruled out. Rip currents. There is a moderate risk of rip currents along the beach of Palm Beach County. Water spouts. A water spout or two cannot be ruled out across the local Atlantic waters. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. Scattered showers will be possible across the Atlantic waters through the week. Early in the week, a rumble of thunder or two may be possible in the strongest activity. Areas of fog possible each morning, especially across the interior and fog-favored areas within both the Atlantic and Gulf metros. Patchy, dense marine fog cannot be ruled out during the morning hours over the nearshore Gulf waters through midweek. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. For more information, visit the National Weather Service in Miami website at www.weather.gov/Miami. The marine forecast. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Choccolosky to Bonita Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 10:03 p.m. West of tonight, north winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 1 second increasing to 2 seconds after midnight. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Patchy fog through the night. Tuesday, east-northeast winds around 5 knots becoming northwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 1 second increasing to 2 seconds in the afternoon. Bay and inland waters smooth. Patchy dense fog in the morning. Tuesday night, north winds around 5 knots becoming east-northeast after midnight. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 2 seconds. Bay and inland waters smooth. Patchy fog through the night. Wednesday, southeast winds around 5 knots becoming west-southwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 1 foot. Period 1 second. Bay and inland waters smooth. Patchy fog in the morning. Wednesday night, northwest winds 5 knots becoming north-northeast after midnight. Seas less than 1 foot. Bay and inland waters smooth. Thursday, east winds around 5 knots becoming south-southwest in the evening. Seas less than 1 foot. Bay and inland waters smooth. Thursday night, southwest winds around 5 knots becoming east late in the evening. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters smooth. Friday, east-southeast winds around 5 knots becoming south-southeast in the afternoon. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters smooth. Friday night, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots becoming east after midnight. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop. Saturday, east-southeast wind 5 to 10 knots becoming south-southeast in the afternoon. Seas less than 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a light chop.